A lot of you have probably seen this unboxing video by now, but for those who haven't, I thought I'd share it here and talk about my thoughts. This is going to be super short, and I hope the owner of this footage doesn't mind me using some parts of it in this video. Though I have a feeling this so-called leaked unboxing is all part of DJI's marketing plan anyway. They're probably expecting us to share it. The thing that stands out to me most is the size. This is a chunky device compared to the previous versions. The camera head itself looks a lot bigger, which is what we'd expect given that there's a 1-inch sensor in there. The buttons are really close to the bottom, so I'm guessing it might feel a bit awkward to use with one hand, unless you have one of the extensions attached. But I'm not criticizing it for that. We all wanted a much larger display, and that didn't leave much space for the buttons. If portrait video wasn't so popular, they could have placed the record button underneath the display in a better position for the thumb. But portrait mode is very important to a lot of people now, so this seems like the best design they could have come up with. Then he shows some footage from the camera, and immediately we can see that large sensor come into play and produce really nice shallow depth of field. This guy even has his hand over his mouth because he's thinking, whoa, look at all that bokeh though. Now he's showing us the wireless lav mic, which is an optional extra, and the DJI logo on the store that he works for, because this video isn't at all staged. He shows the do-it-all handle, and just the fact that it's still called the do-it-all handle makes me worry that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi aren't built into the camera itself, which if true is quite disappointing. But at least given how large the new display is, I probably won't need to connect it to my phone much anyway. He shows some of the accessories, and it looks like this little piece is actually just an empty extender with a tripod socket on the bottom. After 5 years of engineering advancement, they still haven't figured out how to drill a hole in the bottom and glue in a tripod socket. So that's pretty much it. The official announcement will be on the 25th of this month, and I'll probably make another video then once I know all the specs. If you found this useful or interesting, I appreciate a thumbs up. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.